Have you ever wondered what you can create with a 3D printer at home? Welcome to the innovative world of 3D printing, a realm where creativity knows no bounds. Today we're exploring some extraordinary models you can bring to life right from your living room. So, ready to dive into the world of 3D printing and discover some remarkable models? Let's get started. Imagine a model that transforms from Batman to a bat, depending on the angle you view it from. It's like a magic trick. Right in your own home. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's Batman, or perhaps just a bat. Whether you're a superhero fan or a nature lover, this model has got you covered. Next up, we have a model that's perfect for all you caffeine addicts out there. The Coffee Time model is a two-sided marvel. One side proudly displays coffee time, while the other side reveals a steaming cup of joe. Now, you can literally drink in the sight of your favorite beverage. This model is sure to perk up your day. Who needs a clock when you've got a 3D model that tells the time? Picture this, a model that when basked in sunlight casts a shadow to display morning, afternoon, or noon. Talk about a modern, innovative twist. This model is literally a new spin on time flies when you're having fun. For the Star Wars fans, we have a model that's truly out of this world. One glance and you're face to face with Darth Vader, another, and the Star Wars title leaps out at you. May the Force be with you as you decide which side to view. This model is a must-have for every Star Wars enthusiast. And finally, for the tech-savvy folks, we have a model that's sure to hack into your heart. One side sports the word hacker. Flip it over, and a notorious hacker mask appears. This model is so cool it's almost criminal. So whether you're a tech whiz or just a fan of cool designs, this model is for you. And there you have it, some of the most innovative and modern 3D models you can print at home. From the Batman transformation to the time-telling Shadowcaster and the dual-faced hacker model, the fun and creativity are endless. So what are you waiting for? Get your 3D printer humming and start creating these amazing models today.